Alright, I'm a little late. I'm a little late to the stream today, honestly. It's all good. We'll go over my charting. So that's something I need a journal for yesterday's trades. That's something I need to put on my to-do list today. Journal yesterday's trades. I'm watching SPX. I'm going over my charting right now for SPX. This is NQ though. So if you want to see what I'm watching here, pretty much this premium. I want to push lower prices at 10 o'clock. SPX charting. Unable to hold above previous week highs. Outside the weekly city. Unable to hold previous week highs. Basically nothing much pressure range. Daily wave equilibrium in the range. Now retracing back would be ideal with the breaker two. BISI needs to become inversion later on. SPX. We took out the previous day low. So we're tapping the BISI here. Equilibrium in the range would be ideal. So make the BISI an inversion. I'll probably see that happening next week though, for us to get below this. Come down further maybe, if you want to drop. If not, then I see us continuing up, completing the market maker model for SPX. The previous month high and then dropping maybe. We have a balanced price range there. I would love to see us retrace and hit it, then drop further into the daily BISI from now here. A short-term breaker. We do have a short-term BISI there. Would be ideal. We have a breaker with the BPR above it, and then equilibrium aligns with that, so that's beautiful. All right, let's go look at Euro USD. I think Euro USD is, I should then GP. We'll do GP, then Euro, and then dollar. We'll just go back from the time frame. So we have sell side rest in there, monthly power 3 watching. So I want to see. Oh yeah, I want to see if the monthly for GU and EU this week, if we create the high. Since it's like a bearish month, you know, the high is created the first 2 weeks. So I'm gonna be watching that. We held about the cities there. Equilibrium range. We'll come back later on. Sees reaching the previous month low for our sell side objective. We'll continue to drop, reaching this idea. Sees we are equilibrium range. Let's see with the EU for sure. Civio was respected up there in the premium. While close below the BISI minute inversion for like that. Equilibrium range. We're below it now. 4-hour time frame. We have created that 4-hour civvy. Tie back into it. This is daily civvy. We created a balanced price range. I would want to see us retrace back up into it. Equilibrium. So we have a BPR there. We also hit equilibrium. So retracement wouldn't be bad here on GBP USD, and we had that breaker, so we can just push price up a little bit. There we came back up into the 4-hour civvy due to daily civvy inversion for like consequent encroachment. We did sweep by some liquidity for there, and then created a 4-hour. And then I would like to see us come back to this range. We have equilibrium with the city there. We can expect TJF for tomorrow since we are city equilibrium in the range plus a breaker. I kind of am for the forex words. I kind of am aiming for a TJF. Again, Cibi monthly power 3, weekly equilibrium power first month high. We're still below it. Previous week low. We're still below it. So I see us. We saw that previous week high, previous week low range right now. Target for outside liquidity would be the variable constant encroachment. Alright, for Euro. Euro, we did close near the low of the daily BISI up there. Then we have another one down there, so ideal range for us would be the drop. So this will be the first target, equilibrium. And then we seem to close near the BISI, not to make it an inversion. Equilibrium range would be ideal for drop. We have that 4-hour CB there too. And then we had a 4-hour balanced price range basically with the city. So it's not bad, honestly. We can better BPR hold for bearish prices. We did CT greater city there too with a big inversion value. I'll be watching out for that. Still not near equilibrium. So GU is near equilibrium. Euro USD is not. And then we have a nice little breaker here for him that I'm watching to see if we can retrace. Then lower. We have a breaker formed inside the 4-hour CB, the unicorn model. I would want to push price. Equilibrium maker. What is equilibrium in this range? I should have marked that out first, and then I should have done it on the 1-hour equilibrium. We had another inversion there on 1 hour with like a balanced price range there. That would be near equilibrium. Even if we go above the breaker, I see that being tapped into that balanced price range up there. The dollar BISI, power 3 on dollar. Lower resistance being built up for the weekly. Previous month low, we're still above the respected discounted weight consequent encroachment. Previous week high is a target for next week for sure, and the equilibrium later on in life for that, the weekly objective. to be met. Big target. Also, we have a liquidity void and then a imbalance there too with the liquidity void. We're going to revisit soon. We have to close above the breaker now, so that's good to me. We have an inversion for value of $200, so that just seems to me like the other one's higher prices. We have liquidity void up there with the civvy as a target now. First will be equilibrium of the range on the 4 hour. Important react to the respecting. We created inversion for the gap on the 4 hour with the BSC inside. Daily inversion for the gap. Seems to change to the strong higher price. We did have another inversion inside the inversion with a BSC created too. That's just really strong. So oh yeah, we had a market maker sell model reforming. We'll come down to equilibrium. Seems valid to continue up for TGIF tomorrow. Oh yeah, no, so we did hit equilibrium already. So I mean, if we want to continue up for dollar, I can see that happening. The forex price dropping. Even though this is a fractal one, we have so many PD arrays that are bullish now, and the ones that were bearish and disrespected. So changes in steady delivery, and yeah, that's pretty much it for my charting. I think Euro is the only one that I need it's on the 1 hour. What's this right here? I'm watching this right here. I would have liked to see this right here come back, get retraded back into like the upper quadrant. We did hit the breaker though. You see we dropped and then we start chopping. So we are hitting that civvy. We're hitting the civvy high. We're still inside the daily buy side imbalance here. That's the breaker here. We took out a high. It's on the 1 hour. It looked a lot more clear. It's a 1 hour breaker. So yeah, it's a 1 hour breaker there. You can see it clear as day. Then we're waiting for 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news. You can see right here. It's 10 a.m. prelim consumer sentiment. So we're gonna be watching that. I think I'm gonna turn the KBS up to. It says I'm gonna do 3,800. What's up, Shino? We recommend I use Streambeard 6,800 KBS. I don't know if I should do that, but I'm gonna try it right now. 6,800 KBS. See if that works. Alright, so yeah, we do have news later. I'm gonna be waiting for that for right now. The chat kind of big? I think it looks kind of huge, right? I'm not gonna lie. I'll leave it though. Oh god, okay, that got me strong. Alright, let's see this. Drink some water real quick. Don't see any good setups today. TGIF might be probable in the PM session and on SPX and NASDAQ. So I'm gonna check that out right now. First, I'm gonna start off my analysis with dollar. So I'm just go down from the daily to the 1 hour to the 15. I'm not gonna try to drop anything below that. So we're still above this inversion, and we took out the previous day high. This is an objective I want to see met. I measured the range yesterday for the 4 hour here to here. I don't think we have met equilibrium yet. I think we tapped up into it. I think it's barely tapped up into it. Yeah, we barely tapped up into it. We dropped. So yeah, that 4 hour buy center balance. I want to see if we hold later on tonight or today. I mean, and then if we come down further, then this order block here took out some internal lows, some sell side, and then the inversion for value gap pushing price higher. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. It's kind of like a fake out for right now for dollar. I kind of was measuring the 1 hour range, this one right here. my bad. The 1 hour range here from this low to this high up here. That's something I was measuring. I was like, all right, we can come down for the market maker some model, then reverse, and then form like an internal market maker buy model fractal, and then go higher. The target would probably have to be this high up here, or these like high resistance highs. It's gonna take a while to get through. 15-minute. It seems like we have a little internal breaker here, this high. I guess that's kind of why we are reacting up. And let's go back up to the daily. Now let's go back to the next one, to Euro USD. Euro USD, we're coming back up. Why is it on the daily? I don't want to see this up on the daily, right? Yeah, this one either. So let's look at the previous day low. We're back inside. I don't know if we did close. It doesn't seem like we closed below to me. It seems like we closed right on it for the BISI on the higher time frame, or the premium one for the 4 hour there. We're still inside this balanced price range here with a sell side imbalance on the 4 hour. You know, it's very like deep into the premium from this low to this high. It's very deep into the premium, while GU isn't. We go look at GU on the higher time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher time frame, you can see GU is a lot lower, and it's like more deeper into a discount, while this one's more deep into a premium. You just see the clear SMT here. For both of them, we do have both sell side imbalance. This one has more of a balanced price range here since it traded both sides. You can see that. This one never really did. It just took out this low and had that market structure shift. So I can see this one coming back up and then dropping. As for this one though, I can I don't know. I feel like we're just gonna consolidate more and then drop. That's kind of what I'm seeing. And then for the sell side imbalance, if we drop down, we have a breaker there, and then we have another BPR there. So I mean that's kind of why I can see us coming up and then dropping. If GU comes up, Euro will go up most likely, and then it will consolidate, and then GU will drop, and then Euro will follow. And then my objective will probably be this right here. I want to see Euro come down deeper though, but I don't think we're gonna get that tonight or today. I mean, I keep saying tonight, man. Damn. Let's go to GU daily. Sell side imbalance. This became an inversion because we already closed below it. You can see that. Clear as day. Previous day low, previous day high. Measuring that range, we can see we have another BISI down there. This breaker here isn't holding, so I'm gonna take it off probably after today. And then 4 hour time frame, we had that 4 hour CB low for CB high. We never came back up into it, while EU created it as, we had another one up here, but EU created it as a balanced price range. And then we formed the BISI here, and then we created it as a BPR since we traded both sides. We respected it. We did wake up a little bit above it though. So, and this one has a 1 hour CB. It was inside of a discount or near equilibrium. I mean premium, near equilibrium too, not a discount though. So that's kind of why I would have wanted to see us come up. I can still see us coming up though for GU. Just rallying honestly. If like dollar drops, I see this one coming up for sure. Like not a. This one is weaker though, so I would be a lot more cautious. I'm just gonna see what happens at 10 o'clock. So like in 9 minutes. Go to SPX. Take all this off real quick. It's not on. So again, BISI here. We have another one here. We have another one here. I measure the range. I want to see equilibrium like around here with the breaker. We met later on. If we continue to drop BPR, we came and tapped up into it. I see us coming down further, maybe taking out the lows maybe for today. Then we're inside another CB here, so it's like a unicorn with the breaker right here. So it's a unicorn here, unicorn model today. Breaker with the balanced price range. So I can just see us coming down further, probably after the news comes out. If we continue higher, then I just see us taking out these highs for sure and then dropping. If not, then probably hitting like a little PD array in the premium and then dropping. So that's kind of what I see for here. I don't think we have SMT. I'm gonna check after I do NQ real quick. Daily, same thing I'm watching for the NQ on the daily. This one doesn't really have a fair value gap. It kind of does, but it's not too big, so it been rant. I think the 4 hour one is a lot better. If I show you, the 4 hour one is a lot better. We took off this one. It did become inversed. We did use this one for the for today, and then this one had the same thing. It had the breaker, and then this was a sell side imbalance in the daily one. Measure the range here. We're inside of a premium, and then the breaker here. We had a big sell side balance here too, I think. So I want to see if we can. I don't know if we're gonna close above, close below. Do close above, then this one has been stronger a lot recently. So you can. I think there's gonna be clear SMT there. So Just gonna be waiting for that. And then we're just gonna see if we can continue up. Would have wanted lower prices for this one. I need to fix this chat thing. Why is it so big? Let me change it real quick. 400. I think that would look a lot better. I just noticed. My bad. Like that. Let's put it up here. Should I put it down here? Put it down there. Alright. We're just gonna go to ICT. We're gonna go to the daily here, see if we can find anything. So it doesn't look like there's anything here right now. NQ is just very strong compared to ES. This happened yesterday. Whenever I was shorting. I went long during stream, but I eventually started shorting. Whenever we came back up around here, I took a short on my FTMO account, and then eventually got stopped out before the big move. I moved my stop to break even too early. I'll show you that. If we do take a trade today, I don't know if I'm going to. The weekly. I don't think there's any TGIF. Probably for NQ, not in SPX. SPX is like a doji. 15 minutes. NQ looks very strong. I think if NQ continues this, ES is gonna catch up. It's gonna go into deeper premium. Probably this for belly gap. Well, I'll probably get hit, or this inverse, or yeah. This one created a breaker. They're in New York, so it isn't getting respect. I think. Well, let's see. I don't think it is getting respected right now. Yeah, it's not. So we're just gonna wait and see if the news comes out bearish and we start dropping. I am more interested on probably the forex pairs, seeing us drop on euro. That is something I want to see. See, we are dropping now. Probably closing outside of the BISI, since we are in a deep premium. I would have liked to see that, honestly. Let's do this one yellow. Let's mark this out if we close below that. So many lines here, I just don't even know which ones are which. So I know the red one's for the 4 hour and this one's for the daily, so this is previously low. Breaker forming on NQ 5 minute and SPX. Let's go see. Breaker. What breaker? Breaker is he talking about? Breaker block. I don't really see any breakers. Probably for SPX. Not really on NQ. If we drop, probably this right here. It's P, yeah. See it for S&P. So S&P has been a lot weaker. NQ is gonna drop. If SPX drops, NQ is gonna follow, but it's gonna follow hard. That's kind of why I don't want to be trading NQ. Euro USD. The news is better come out. Couple of minutes. Let's go to 15. The 15 looks clear. I want to see if this. Let's go to 5 minutes on this one. How's my dog keep barking at me, bro? She keeps barking at me. Changing the state of delivery. We get in there right now. Changing the state of delivery. I wouldn't take a trade right here. Probably after the news though. Or seeing like how news reacts. I think news is gonna push us. Up or down. We're gonna go up or down. Whoa. a good day, honestly. It's a good week. It's been a good week, man. It's been a great week. So I'm gonna watch Euro on my phone. I'm gonna have it open for the news on my phone right now. And I'm gonna have S&P here, right here for you guys. Let's put it on. I'm gonna watch the 15 on my phone. Turn up the brightness here because the wireless charger is charging my phone. So we're dropping here in Euro. Not bad. I mean, yeah, it's bad. I think Euro's gonna catch up with EGU if we continue like this. Equilibrium of the range on the 15. I think probably. I think we're already hitting the discount, so I wouldn't be too inclined to take a trade unless we retrace back up. Even then, that'll be sketchy to me because. No, that wouldn't be sketchy, honestly. If we retrace back up, I'd probably take a short. But just the price action doesn't look too favorable. A bunch of chop. You can see here a bunch of chop on the 15, even on the 5-minute. This SIBI, institutional, not even institutional. This one right here will be institutional if we came back up. But it's balanced price range right now for that. All that, it's a balanced price range. We came back up, tapped and dropped. AMD NQ 5-minute. I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's up to you, brother. It's your analysis. If you see it, you see it, you know. I don't really see any AMD right now. $6,800 KBS. How much is that? I gotta check. So we're dropping now. 10 o'clock hit. Euro spiked. We had a big volume imbalance. See GPP. GPU is dropping further. It's coming up now. Same thing for Euro. We're coming up. News, yeah, right here. News. I think I had it on the chart. You can see it. Did I have it on the news thing? Events, future news. Yeah, I have it on here. So you see, it's gonna show like the USD flag. And it just tells you the news event. I had it on because some days, I wouldn't even look at Forex Factory. That'd be like detrimental. Cause I'll forget there's news and I'll take a trade and then boom, news will either stop me out or I would win without even knowing there was news, and I don't like that. I don't think it's a real win unless you actually know where the market is going and you know there's news and you take the trade while you know there's news. But if you don't know there's news and the trade goes in your favor, it's really a 50-50, honestly. It's not really a good trade. So we're just dropping here, honestly, You can see it's forming this 5-minute breaker here. It's going to crush one of this right here. Probably being tapped up into. We bounce off that. Or some sort, yeah. Low rejection block. So I want to see the rejection block become a breaker. If we close below, tap up into it. We create a SIBI. It's going to be a unicorn model here. Kind of what I'm expecting. Like something like this. Like that. And then we close below it. We open up the next candle. We come up. Tap up into it. We drop. And then eventually we come back up further between those two. And then drop right here like that. That would be something ideal. But if we don't get that, then of course just the breaker's gonna hold and we're gonna push. And then Euro's coming up, NQ's coming up. It's on the 15 here for GBP. I mean, volume imbalance here. This one's already in a deep lower side of the premium discount. I mean, so shorts wouldn't be too ideal. That's kind of what I'm looking at the indices now. It's just not inside of a deep premium. So if we get the breaker block formed on SPX, I think I'll take it on SPX. NQ is still forming this right here. It's like about a BISI. I want to see become inverse, and then this one too. We can have some form of summer push and then push down. I think SPX would catch my eye more. So yeah, I wouldn't be too against it. We're getting that push. Next 1 minute. I think we're making a breaker right now. Unicorn? Yeah, that's what I see. We'll measure the range here. I don't want to see it like reach into a discount. So yeah, I kind of want to take a short up here. That's if we close. If we don't, then I don't know. As long, I think, yeah, no, we still respected. I mean, I can see us respecting this since we did form inverse, or yeah, an inverse here. And you know, as long as we close below it, that's a big closure there. I think we're just gonna continue dropping later. Probably just for NQ's having some form of struggle right now since it's trying to get below that. I need this one to close, and then the trade will be ideal. For sure. If we do get like an OTE retracement, I'll probably take it even that. That would kind of be in here, I think, too. Euro's not really dropping. We have a little imbalance there. So we're just gonna wait and see. Just gotta be patient here. I think the 5 minute chart looks really clean. We're dropping here, yeah. 30 seconds. So next candle. No, 1 minute, yeah, this candle right here. I mean, it just looks really clean to me. This would probably be like the first target. Dun 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 dun. 1 second. We're not pushing up. I kind of see that. Kind of see like a fair value gap here, probably. Or maybe on the 1 minute we had no, we don't got anything there. This is probably the only fair value gap. We can see we tapped up into that, but that was during the news candle we dropped. So the 5 minute might form a fair value gap, or might tap into the breaker and then start having some form of means to push price lower. So you can see NQ2 is like a balanced price range. If we create a CB here. Probably gonna take a short real soon. Yeah, I can see that. I can see myself too. It's really, I mean, NQ is in a deep premium. I think NQ would be a favorable one more than ES. I might see NQ honestly. If we close below this, then we come back and tap into it. Then I think NQ would probably be favorable for me. If ES doesn't come back up, or if it forms a SIBI, then we'll come back, and we don't come back up with the unicorn, and I'll probably take it on NQ for this inverse. Tap up and then we drop. Take off all this low resistance right here. I can see that. All this right here. You can take it out. For sure. There we go. There we go. I want to see this one. This one right here, come on. Just respecting that BC down there. Small fair value gap on SPX. Where is it at right here? Alright. Oh, this one right here, yeah. Probably come and tap up into that. Beautiful delivery today, honestly. It's a Friday though, so like you gotta be very cautious too. Unicorn? Breaker not working? What are you talking about? It is working. It's on the 5 minute. It's a big candle, you can see that. For the breaker. We're hitting the lower quadrant of it. As long as we don't come up here and we start dropping here, then I just see us respecting it. If we come to the mean threshold, we come up here, that's a OTE model entry, and I wouldn't want to see us have lower prices. But even then, I wouldn't want to see that. I wouldn't want to see this left unfilled, or like not tapped it back into, because that would just seem like we're bullish to me. Especially this one too, you know, if we keep holding this, this buy stand balance here. I don't want to see this like push price lower. Then we can use this as an inverse too after and then drop. I can see that, honestly. So you gotta be patient here, honestly. I meant unicorn not working because we failed the fair value gap. Oh, on the 1 minute? Which one? This one right here? What are you talking about? We created relatively good highs up there. These are coming back up. No, the 5 minute? The unicorn not working because we failed. One more. SPX? You talking about SPX? What are you talking about? What fair value gap? Oh, this one right here? You talking about this? Oh, this didn't create a fair value gap? Nah. I think that's what you're talking about, yeah. This is not really... I mean, it didn't really create a fair value gap, but it had the immediate rebalance. That's kind of what it did. It kind of tapped up into it, and then it dropped. You can see that, right? It was like an immediate rebalance. It doesn't always have to create a fair value gap. Even that, you know, I think that's a unicorn, too, for itself. An immediate rebalance with a breaker or like a PD array. And, like, you have a clear draw on liquidity, you know, it's going to go down there and then down here. So I think that's good enough, too, you know? And then probably the consequent growth. I want to see us come down, close below it. That's gonna it's gonna make me be extra bearish, honestly. Yeah, no, we're below it. I would want to see us hold, probably push price a lot lower, and just continue dropping. I don't see any reason for us to continue up. Probably for NQ though. Probably NQ's the one that's probably NQ's probably the one that's having resistance here. But again, I just want to see us close below this BC here, making an inverse. This one already held. So I don't know if we came back up to equilibrium. I know we barely came. So I don't want to see lower prices here. If we break structure and come up to the inversion slash breaker, then I'm probably taking a short. Not gonna lie. So break structure, yeah, probably right here. You're just waiting for more confirmation. That's what it is. Yeah, I would probably wait. Probably for NQ. I want to see this become inversed. Then I'll probably be wanting probably to take a short. And then probably for the SPX, same thing. Like you said, market structure shift. A break of structure or whatever you want to call it. And then probably like a little retracement. And you get that in short. Wouldn't be bad, honestly. But if the market leaves here, then I can see why. Probably is because of the breaker and then SPX or NQ. I mean, making an inverse tap and then we drop. So it's probably gonna be like very fast paced. But today's Friday though, so like it really isn't like gonna be fast paced to me. It's like the type of day where it wouldn't be fast paced. So it's like really slow. You can see that. Just click the forex pairs. We never came back up into the CB. Low volume imbalance. No, this one closed near it. This one's inside of it. CB there. The 15. We have nothing really in the 15. This one has a breaker here. You can see that clear as day. Breaker. Right there, clears down the 15. 5 minute. I want to see us come back up, tap up into it, and then drop. This one we're still yet to come up. I'm gonna measure this right here. I don't want to see us come above there. I want to see us like have lower prices push soon. This one we're pushing up above there. Potential 15-minute fair value gap. Oh yeah, no, it's a big fair value gap there on the 15. This one doesn't have it though. This one does. Damn, I should have viewed the SMT chart for this right here. So, damn, I should have spotted this. So you know, this would be a lot better, yeah, to make an inverse on the 15. Probably the consequent encroachment though. Close below that, that'll be good. On the next 15-minute candle. This one for SPX. That's what we're watching right now. I want to see if SPX holds a 15-minute CB or BC, I mean, right there. You're right, 15-minute right here. So yeah, if we close below it, then that's good to me, honestly. Wouldn't be against it. Potential, yeah, potential inverse. It is in a premium, so. But I just want to see NQ close at least below the consequent encroachment. Yes, we can make it inverse, but I want NQ to have more confirmation close below, like the lower quadrant, like in the premium side. That would give me a lot more conviction that we're gonna drop. But if it doesn't, then if this stays holding, then I just don't see us dropping any further. I can probably, I don't know, maybe if ES is really strong to the downside, then I can see this one like lagging and then catching up. That's probably the only scenario, two scenarios I can see if we don't close right here for this one right here below. This one becomes inverse. I think that's a really good indication. Forex pairs, scroll on the 1 hour. You can see just GU dropping, EU not really dropping. Little breaker. I mean the order block here, if you drop down the lower time frame, is like a breaker, like we showed earlier. Can rely on AMD with this price action. To me, I mean, I would probably use AMD like on a higher time frame. Charts like 15, 5 minute, or 1 hour. AMD's like power 3. Power 3, I just view power 3 like for like how the candle is gonna create the high and low. That's all I really focus on, like when the high is gonna be created in the low. I don't really view like AMD. I think AMD is really helpful though, seeing like the manipulation phase. But I think I would, if I use AMD, I'll probably use quarterly theory with it. That's probably the best bet. So we did close below for SPX. I want to see if we start dropping here. We tapped up into it. So it's kind of like a lower time frame breaker with the 15 minutes there. Measure this one right here. Let's not measure this. I'll just leave the chart clean like this. So yeah, we're just gonna be watching that. This one held too nicely. Just watching price action. Let's see if we can start dropping here. Probably. I guess the macro ended this candle 950, 1010. That was during the news though. News. This is the silver bullet hour. So lost $30 because I have my currency in USD. Damn. Oh, that don't sound too good, brother. Right here, see that? So they both have it pretty much the same. This one isn't dropping though. I probably want to see this one drop. This one is in deep discount though, so I want to be. I feel like we're just gonna range today on those. These I want to see lower prices for sure, and then probably eventually come back up and close. That's how I want to see it. Yeah, probably like a doji. I'm gonna be against that. So we're just range bound in here in the 1 minute. Pretty sloppy price action, honestly, on the 5 minute. I just need to see more distribution. I want to see more distribution down. Like this, yeah, there we go. Keep going. It's just so annoying. I think I see if I really up here right here. It's a little small one. I guess that's what's kind of holding it. As long as we close below that too. We made an inversion on the S&P, inversion on the 4 hour. Nah, bullish, not good. Yeah, no, it's kind of range bound today, honestly. Showing that breaker to the sell side would have been a good scalp. This one, that's what I mean. If this one's holding this, I think we're not gonna drop. If we drop, close below an inverse, change set of delivery, then I think we're gonna drop. But if we don't get that soon, I think we're just gonna continue up. This is not the smart money reversal yet. We're gonna form probably a new high, and then drop later. Let's see if this one holds. I'm watching the constant encroachment. Close above, I think we're gonna be a little bit more bullish. If we don't, then I can see us just continuing, probably just a range. Inversion fair value gap, 4-hour ES 905 candle breaker. 905 right here. Yeah, so it'll be a little scalp. Yeah, inverse on the 4-hour. So real inverse is the busy down here though. Little inverse here too. And yeah, the Civi here turn into an inversion. So yeah, maybe we push up for NQ. It's a very like bad day to trade, honestly. It's like not worth putting capital on the line. Today's like more of that tape reading day. It would be really good for tape reading. Take this off. I'll just wait. Hard time from bullish. Try to clean up the chart a little bit more. So this is the inversion for value up here that became inverse. Let me change it though. Have it as Civi. It's an inversion. Right here, yeah. So let's see. Even forex here, even the forex pairs are having sloppy price action. This isn't good. This isn't a good day. See Bitcoin. We're dropping out for ETH. So I'm still holding this one. Still holding this inverse, I guess. I need to see either one side get displacement, you know, either we continue to the downside here like we have right here, this little short-term price action, we continue down, we break structure, or we have a change in state of delivery, like strong confirmation, strong displacement, come back up, little retracement, then drop like an institutional infantry draw. I don't want to see us like have a deep retracement. That would give me strong confirmation. But if we want to continue up, then I need to see this become closed above here. SPX2, the same thing for SPX. For the 15 minute, I want you to see this like hold above, close above there, just continue up. Yeah, we're just gonna be watching that. Just see this real quick. I think this is using it like a as an inverse. I can see the push price higher probably. I'm not gonna take it off yet. I was about to. This one, I would probably see us coming up for Euro. We're dropping finally, so it's not bad, honestly. I'm gonna take this off though. I think it's too many lines can like they just annoy me. I'm not gonna lie. It's too many right now. What is this kind of wake up to what 1 hour? Oh, the breaker on the 4 hour, the 1 hour. Okay, yeah, no. This one. Let's see, it's dropping probably. Damn, I've been so tempted to take I just been so tempted to take a trade on my funded accounts, but I just been trying to pass the FTMO account. I'm still like near. What? I'm only up like $80 still. Like 80. The commission's been eating me up on the forex pairs, so I try not to trade them. I try to do indices only. So let's see. We're dropping on these finally. Market structure share retracement. No, it's no liquidity sweep. Only this right here. So just gonna wait for that. I'll wait for these. 15. We're still holding this buy side of balance here. 15 minute. Holding it perfectly here. On these, see the 4 hour. Let's see if this should be here. It's being hit. Yeah, consequent approach hit on Euro. This one never came near it. Just like an institutional reference on this one. I don't want to see that. So I think Euro's gonna drop soon. Like really just ranging, just like inside the city, just holding it. You can see it's dropping now. Honestly, like it's like a really good day to watch price action, and just like not do anything, like sit on your hands. It's a good Friday here. It's been raining. It's like a nice chilly day, you know. It's a nice cool day. I like it. It's very relaxing. I forgot music. That's what I forgot. I forgot to play some freaking music. Let's go play some freaking music, man. There we go. That's even more relaxing now. I feel a lot better now. Honestly, here, I think we're gonna push up for the indices. We're not gonna drop yet. I think it's a little too soon to be dropping yet. If we do, I would probably have to see this close below this opening. Like we have to close below this with a bearish candle, form like a little order block inside of her rally gap, and then probably retap into it and then drop. And then even more confirmation would be this BSC becoming an inversion. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. And then let's go over here. So SPX is kind of holding. We're still yet to close below. I'm gonna be watching how we close on this 15, especially with the buy side imbalances here. SPX does look a lot weaker than NQ, but I think NQ would give us a little bit more confirmation if we want to see downside movement. SPX has been more inside of the range, and it's like near equilibrium. This one's like deep premium, so I want to see this close, tap, drop. If we do want to start dropping, probably want to take out buy side liquidity on the daily on NQ. I mean, we can likely, yeah, but I already see us in a deep premium. This would be your SIBI here on the 1 hour. We held up nicely here. I'm just gonna be holding. We're gonna see this. Let's see. Oh, but I mean to do that. Let's stop that. Okay. Euro's dropping finally. Did we miss it? Oh no, yeah, we barely missed it. It's barely starting to move. 1 minute. Let's see if we can. I want to see if this is like a. Nah, it's not an immediate rebalance. On the 5 minute. 1 minute SIBI here. That would be a good trade idea. Because we already had that market structure shift right here. It wouldn't be bad, honestly. I might take it. I wouldn't be against it. Not anymore actually. My goodness. Oh my goodness, we're just dropping down on this one. Beautiful delivery, honestly, on the 5 minute. We're hitting that busy. I just want to see us close, reach these lows, probably this projection block low. That'd be an ideal area. We're gonna mark this out here. Cause Soldier Boy up in it. Oh. Watch me do that soldier dance. Wow. Let me go back to US 100 or Nasdaq. Okay, so we're close. We're close to closing below, honestly, on the 5 minute. I need to see this close. Let's see. My second last video I uploaded got 1,200 views. This one I uploaded yesterday got 30 views so far. What the F? Can you find market structure shift on USD CHF? So USD Swiss. 1 hour. What do you think about it? What's up? What's up 2C? And then took out 5 minutes outside liquidity. Reacted strongly on SPX. So you know we're dropping now. Dropping on everything. Everything's actually dropping right now. It's kind of good. Really, really good. I want to see close below. Market structure. I don't have USD. I don't watch that market. But you know, if I wasn't trading, like I was doing an analysis, like for everything, I would. But right now, I'm just trying to focus on these right here. See if I can find a trade idea right now. And just currently in a trade right now for Euro. I know I said I wasn't gonna take it, but I took it. So just let that run. This one I might take one right here too on this one. See if we tap back, close and then tap back into it. The next couple of minutes for NQ, honestly. So I want to be against it. I'm gonna cut some for Euro, the Euro trade here. And then for NQ, yeah, we're just so, bro, why is it faking me out like this? Stop, just drop already, close below. What is this nonsense? I feel like this candle's gonna just push it lower. I can see it. So as long as, I mean, we did close below this, like I said, that's what I wanted. But I would have wanted extra confirmation here. Like close below this buy side here. Imbalance. Close below sell side, yeah, for SPX, I think. Yeah, SPX had a market structure shift already. Created another little order block inside of the breaker. That's like even better. So SPX looks a lot more probable right now for shorts than NQ. NQ, I think, is having a stronger time, honestly. Breaker plus inversion, yeah, breaker. Inverse. This one we did close below. I think this one is gonna, let's see this right here. Tapping that. I need to see this drop after tapping that. Yeah, we need to push. There we go. This one I need to, I guess we're holding. I don't know actually if I want to. I'm kind of sketched out, but I think I'll take it, honestly. I want to be against it. Let me just try it. I'm gonna try my luck. I'll stop at the high. And then take profit like near the breaker, I guess. Or near like the order block, or breaker, I would call it breaker, honestly. Near like the breaker, near above it right here. So yeah. Euro, I need to move my stop to break even. We did drop already. You'll see these. This one's retracing back up. This one's retracing back up too. Breaker plus the inversion. The strong movement. I just need. I guess we got 3 minutes for this one. Power 3, 5 minute. Creating the high for a bearish candle soon to come. I just need to see this close below. That would, to me, that would just instantly confirm we're dropping on NQ. But if we don't, then I just want to see us hold this now for now. Especially on the 5 minute. There we go, we're running. I don't know, because we made an inversion on the 4 hour, bro. Like that inverse on the 4 hour. This right, I don't know why you're worried. You know, you shouldn't be worried about it, because on the 1 hour we had a big sibby too. You see that? So like the 4 hour one mixed with the 1 hour, you know, it doesn't really mean much. SPX, if SPX created a 4 hour inversion, then I'll be kind of scared. But it didn't. You see, it created a big south side imbalance here. So, and then on the 1 hour for NQ is there too. So I mean, I don't really think you should be worried about it. NQ has been the stronger one though, so like that's probably the only thing I would worry about. But other than that, I just see us dropping because of the higher time frame. You see all this right here. Like you gotta expect some sort of retracement later on for this. I think we already met so much buy side already, especially all the way up here. We met so much buy side on NQ. It's gonna have to start dropping sooner or later. SPX, I mean, the only reason I would see NQ probably come up is probably if SPX wanted to come up, take out the previous month high, and then hit the SIBI here, but it never did that, and it's dropping now. So I want to see NQ catch up eventually. The 4-hour S&P fair value gap just touched the 0.5 clean. 4-hour inversion. Just talking about that probably. This one needs to catch up. You can see this one is deeper into a premium. This one's already in the discount. This one's deep. This one's got to catch up eventually. It's just taking a while to get there. When it drops, it's gonna drop soon. It's like US 30, bro. This shit takes a while. Then just when it drops, it drops. Big candles. If you missed the move, you missed it. That's what I see for that. Dun 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 dun. So we're coming back up for you. What is this in the 5 minute? For what? Euro? Oh, we created SIBI too. Oh my goodness. Lower prices. This one's dropping. This one's not dropping. Oh, did we do close below? I think we did, yeah. That's a good indication to me. I'm just gonna chill now. We're just gonna wait. I think we should just wait, honestly. It's probably the best bet. Nothing else we can do now. CBMN on the 4-hour. Really think we're gonna drop lower, to be honest, on NQ and SPX. I'd love to hear that. During the silver bullet hour. I guess just being patient. Probably only like just waiting for the time to come. It's probably gonna come soon. SPX is just dropping. Look at that. It's already below equilibrium of the range here. I see it's completing the market maker model for continue at this pace. This one, I think this one's gonna catch up eventually. It's gonna just probably take some more time for this one. GU 15. We created a SIBI here. 15 on this one too. This one created a SIBI right here. It's like another SIBI. This one's not tapping up into it. This one is. I'm just gonna chill and wait. Try to look at the 5 minute on SPX. Just made a mohawk above it. Missed the move. Oh, the 5 minute breaker. And this one right here. Missed the move. Just waiting, I guess, for all these. I'm gonna check if I got stopped out here. I did move my stop to break even already. Oh yeah, they get out for Euro. Wasn't a bad trade, honestly. NQ, I feel like NQ's gonna create a fake out here. NQ did this yesterday, I think. We took our buy side and formed a breaker on NQ. And then we dropped. NQ always does this, man. NQ is crazy. That's why NQ is crazy. Crazy. NQ, you see that? Yesterday, I think it did that. So, yeah. So, no, hold on. We can see it on the SMT chart better. I'll show you SPX and NQ for yesterday. So look at that. So, yesterday, SPX was dropping. And then NQ created higher high, while this one created higher low. SMT, this one just dropped instantly. So, I don't know if we might get that today. I don't want to, honestly, especially on a day like today. I would just want to see NQ probably catch up and eventually catch up with the range. 15-minute on this one. Let's see these right here. Euro not dropping as much. This one's not below the London lows like this one. So I can see us catching up for Euro. So that's what we're going to be watching here. So we're just going to watch that. GU held that CB nicely. This one didn't. It created like a more of a balanced price range. Tapped up into this one. So I'm going to just take this one off. Take this off since we are out of the trade already. We got stopped out. SPX looks stronger. SP looks stronger, yeah. More to the downside. I just need to see NQ catch up. Come on, NQ. What's taking so long? Probably in the next, like, what? Probably for what? The macro to the 1050, 1110. So yeah, probably during this macro. Let's go on the 5. You can probably see on the 5-minute. This macro on the 5-minute right here. So 1050 to 1110. I need to see us drop for that macro for SPX. I mean NQ. Like this strong displacement. This right here to that. The strong displacement. The next candle. Strong displacement. Probably reaching into this. Going below this consequent encroachment here on this. SPX continuing to drop. Continue to make all these BISIs, make them inverse. Revisit them and then just continue dropping. Having that sell program intact. Yeah, Euro's still going up while GU is dropping. Clear lower time from SMT. It's taking a while, man. Taking a while. Look at the dollar. Dollar's still in equilibrium in the range. You just see that perfectly on. What candle was this right here? Well, which one was it for this SPX one? 935. 935 this one here. So we need to get below this. So it's currently chilling. What is the inverse when you make this bigger? Just like that. This one's one. Put order block there. Move the candles to visual order. Move it to the front. Okay, yeah. Guys, the SMT was created in Forex. USA market. What is he talking about? GU beautiful London closed with 8% this week. we're still dropping SPX. I just need to see us catch up. Probably close below this too. That'd be a good one. Damn it, no, it's blending in. So I think we're gonna see it. This one just having strong conviction to not go down. I'm about to get angry. If we don't drop soon. We'll measure the consequent encroachment. See, I don't want to see this come above that anymore. Macros better come in 5 minutes, so we're just gonna chill. SPX just delivered beautiful to the downside. Beautiful delivery. This one too. GU just beautiful delivery. Euro, not really though, because it wicked up. And now it's just holding this right here. It's an inverse. So not really as beautiful. But GU did continue to drop. Continuing to drop. Beautiful delivery. SPX, beautiful delivery, honestly. The Sibby right here with the two order block here. So a beautiful delivery here. If we can just come tap into it and drop. This one, I just need to see its drop already, man. It's so frustrating when like one of them is doing what you want and the other one isn't. Like, not frustrating, but it's just like very agitating. That's not how I should put it. Like the correlation is not there. We're just not doing what we wanted to do. SMT, 5 minute S&P and NQ. Looking for a short on SPX inverted fair value gap. I don't know, is it 5 minute or 1 minute? I think that's what it is. I can't see it because the emoji thing is blocking the chat thing. Okay, no, 5 minute. Yeah, it says 5 minute. Oh, I can see it on the OBS chart and stream thing in the chats. We're just waiting now. It's very slow price action today. Macro in 2 minutes. You can see that. I was gonna drop to the 1 minute, but I was like, nah. I think it'll be more clear here, especially in the next candle. We'll see it open up the 5 minute. So boring. It's so boring. Come up, drop. Come on, please. You trade outside of? Nah, I don't. Only trade New York. I don't have I guess yeah, I wouldn't want to even stay up for London. London to me, what time? It's like 9, so I'm like 1 hour behind New York time. New York stock exchange time. So London starts at 2. So that would be like what? 1 o'clock for me. 1 o'clock. Like right after midnight. Macro's not hitting yet. Tomorrow's coming up maybe. Tapping consequent encroachment. 1 hour. Dropping beautifully. So yeah, I got stopped out for NQ. I moved my stop to right here. I entered the trade. Where was it in the 5 minutes? Right here. No, right here I think. No, right here we entered. With the expectation of us going down. As soon as we tapped the order block, we entered. Stopped out right there. Main reason I'm gonna move my stops because 3 PD arrays, 1 right here, 2nd order block here, and then my consequent encroachment of the wick right there. Came up. That just told me, you know, it doesn't want to hold. Plus, they had these 2 up close candles, this one right here, and then the consequent encroachment of this. And then plus, we already closed below this BISI. So, take the L. I like 15 minute. It ain't New York time, so I think we be able to trade today. Coming up, I want to see if we close above that. If we do, I want to see the 15 minute one. revisited, probably push price lower. I think the majority of the move already probably is probably done already. Probably until like lunch, late AM session. That's what I'm waiting for, honestly. I'm just watching NQ on my phone. I was watching the Euro chart, but we're consolidating now. SPX here. So NQ never closed below that 15-minute buy sign imbalance, only for the 5-minute one. I think that's why we're kind of still holding. So I'm watching now. The clear SMT chart. Now we're dropping here. You can see that we tapped up back up into it. Now we're dropping. I want to see how NQ closes. Again, NQ formed the breaker here now. Let's go show you. It's formed the breaker. These highs being taken out. I want to see this close below now. If we want to drop, so like around by this low, right there. Just drop below that. Let's go back to SPX now. SPX is still inside that BISI. Or SEBI, I mean. I would need to see strong displacement for NQ now, but I don't think we're not getting that yet. Still pushing up. Just holding higher prices. Just one seems like a lot more favorable to me. It's not dropping enough yet. Take up the order block there. Let's see. SPX. We're gonna take this off real quick. We'll take the other fair value gap too in this right here too. I'm not gonna take the other the breaker block thing. I'm gonna leave the breaker block there. So we're just gonna see now, honestly. Just gotta wait. Patience pays, young one. Patience pays. I'm just watching this market. Maybe this is the market maker buy model forming on SPX here. I can probably see it. This right here. We formed this right here. That's kind of what I see. Since we did already come back to equilibrium, if we don't want to hold lower prices, probably to me lower price would probably have to be like below this low right here. With yeah, just closing below this low. I mean this BISI, making it inverse. That would probably be my confirmation tool for us continuing dropping. But if we close, even if we close above this one right here, to me it just seems like we're gonna be a little bit bullish. I guess that's why NQ didn't drop as much as we wanted it to, or catch up. If NQ trades to the fair value gap on the 1 hour, then bullish market structure shift, that's a good thing. It's a good long. Yeah, we're just gonna wait and see. It's gonna be a little patient. Patience pays. This song is so litty. So litty. Really hope S&P touches the inversion fair value gap. You got this. Mark Snout. Today's a Friday. I forgot it's Friday. It's Friday. I get to go and work on stuff more this time. I love Friday. I love the weekend. You can just put so much work in. You have so much time. You don't have to view the market anymore. For like 6 hours today, or a couple hours a day in the morning. You can go grind other stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take a trade because it ain't New York session in 5 minutes. What do you mean? It's New York session. New York session is from, if you want to like count the New York Stock Exchange, it's 9:30 to 4 p.m. New York time, or 16 o'clock. It's just probably gonna go into lunch session and probably have the volume die down. But yeah, no, PM session on a Friday isn't the best, so I wouldn't recommend it. Like when AM session ends, like the volume tends to die down. So I'm just take it easy here. Yeah, 8:30 to 11 a.m. I'm at New York game. Oh, the kill zones? Yeah. Ends at 11. I forgot. Like Forex kill zones, 12 p.m. would be the London close. What are you looking for? Oh, for me right now, I wanted to. Honestly, I really don't know. I was talking about a market maker buy model forming here. Like a little quick market maker buy model. This one. I don't know. Just waiting probably for the macro to come to an end and see how we form price. And I don't know. I'm not even looking for anything anymore. Honestly, I took a euro trade here. Took a short. Where was the short on? I think it was around here. Whenever we held it, I took it right here. Dropped. I took my partials around here, and then my stop loss got hit around here. I think somewhere with this wick. We took an NQ trade with the order block right here. We tapped up into it. I took it. I had my stop loss up here, but then I started taking partials right here whenever we weren't holding. Cause I want to see this come down. I mentioned this candle. I took a partial to, and then I moved my stop to right here. We got stopped out, so it wasn't too much of a loss. So I really am not even watching anything anymore. I'm just really watching to see how the market is going to close today. That's kind of what I'm just waiting for, honestly. But as of right now, on the higher time frame premise, I wanted this 1 hour sell side imbalance to hold for NQ and ES. But on the 15-minute, we have that buy side imbalance holding for NQ, and ES kind of is using it as an inversion. So I'm really wanting to see how NQ starts to form price action, or ES too if we form above it. So, and then this one, I think we had a 1 hour buy side imbalance. We tapped up into it and we dropped. NQ never came down, so that's kind of why I wanted NQ to come down, because ES never did, or ES did. I'm just watching NQ, honestly. Nothing favorable today, honestly. Not too much on the market right now that I would like to take a trade on. So we're just gonna chill. We're gonna chill. Just chill, bro, chill. We're gonna chill. And just take it easy, because today's Friday, it's a little probable day. Probably like before the news, that would have been the best trade. Or like London would be the best trade on a Friday, honestly, London session. It's 50-50 here, yeah, honestly. Especially on the close. There was no TGIF. Probably for NQ, there was probably a TGIF. For SPX, it was really just a doji. I don't really even see it as a TGIF. I'm really just gonna chill. Just chill. I don't think I want to take a trade. No need for a trade, honestly. Text my bro. Text my bro. Gamblers mode. 50-50 here. Would you consider long if the inverse on the 5-minute Sibi? How long you been learning ICT? I think around. Oh, you know. I lost count now, honestly. Would I consider long if we inverse the 5-minute Sibi? Which one? This one right here. I wouldn't even want to take a trade, honestly, right now. The volume's gonna die down. It's about to hit. Like silver bullet's coming to an end. Our price action here wasn't favorable, so I wouldn't even want. Yeah, gamblers mode, 50-50. Yeah, once like your idea or like your model is like a 50-50 or it's like undefined or it's unable to form and happen in the manner you want it to, then just staying out the market is the best option for me right now. My model would have been the sell model here, continuing to drop after this became inverse, but we didn't get that, so it's yeah, no, it's just really like not even wanting to take a trade anymore after that. I wouldn't want to take a trade, but I'll watch the market. I'll see if there's any levels that I would like to for us. I think we're gonna continue up. Probably reaching for this up here, but we made this as an inversion, so we're probably gonna push up. So we're just gonna see this one became inverse too. You can see that clear as day. The breaker's probably becoming. So again, yeah, no, this was a clear market maker buy model forming here. We were stating that earlier. This would probably have been your confirmation and just probably reaching for these highs up here. So we're just gonna take that off. We're gonna just see pretty much. I'm not gonna want to take a trade, especially on the forex pairs either right now, since forex is probably the volume is dying down. We're consolidating. Not really the best to trade. Probably I knew that going into today, especially on the forex pairs. I was like, all right, it's a Friday. The volume's dying down. We're not coming up here. We're just dropping deeper into equilibrium for next week to power 3, the high to form the first couple of days. So I'm just gonna be waiting. Probably for next week. Next week, I'm gonna see how much news we got next week. Let's see next week. Oh, that lagged. Oh yeah, next week got CPI Tuesday. And then GPP has CPI, then we have PPI, and then unemployment claim. So, after this right here, probably Monday won't be a good trading day. Tuesday probably after the CPI news, and then Wednesday, after all the 8:30 news comes out, and then Thursday after the 8:30, and then Friday will probably be a TGIF model, since we had a big impact in news. Didn't take a trade. Don't look good. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Not worth it. After the NQ trade for me, I don't want to take a trade anymore. Just stepping back and see what the market does. But we exactly touched the 0.5 range. Probably for SPX. 15. Let's go to 15. I want to see if we had anything on the 15. On the 1 hour. I guess this would have been your confluence for the 1 hour. Right there. That would have been your take profit. Or your entry for longs. Institutional order for entry drill. This one never got that institutional order for entry drill. Never got that down here. Came close. This would have been better. Not this one. This one. So we're about to reach that buy side. So I want to see if we can take that out. Yesterday was really good for trades. Yesterday I forgot what oh no, yeah, I left the stream. It was right here. We took a short. Let me show y'all. Took a short on SPX and I left the stream because I had to go take a shit. I had to go use the restroom basically, and I moved my stop to break even. Yeah, it wasn't the best decision, and I could have re-entered, but I didn't get time to see the chart. So let me show you the trades real quick. So that was pretty litty. So this is the US 100 or Nasdaq trade here. You can see that here we pretty much entered right there at that order block. As soon as we tapped the order block, I mean, order block was right here. You can see that right here, this order block, the 2 up close candles. I wish I had like a little cursor. Oh, like this one here. Yeah, this order block with this one. So we entered right here. Started cutting partials as soon as I saw, you know, we were now holding below this right here, this inversion. And we're not pushing. You know, we had a big wick up. I was like, all right, we'll come back down, take a partial, take another one right here, and then had our stop loss hit right here. So it wasn't too much of a loss. For SPX yesterday. Why is SPX? Oh, we took a trade off the breaker, but it never panned out. But I forgot I took that right now. I guess we took one on SPX too. Oh, this is yesterday's trade before the big move up or big move down. So S&P trade here, and yeah, it just didn't work out. I guess we entered before. So we entered, I think, on a 5-minute SIBI. I can't move my thing after that. Okay, so I don't know. I think, yeah, it was a 5-minute SIBI, or I think it was a breaker we entered off of. And then yeah, we came back up. We got stopped out. My stop loss was up here originally. I think it was above the fair value gap, but I had it up here originally and I moved it. Came back up, then we dropped. So that was pretty good. And then for Euro today, that's what they trade for Euro. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Still W day. Because the Euro trade kind of paid us good. Yeah, we're reaching up here now. So lower prices were not confirmed from this one. 4-hour rejection block. Daily. So we're reaching for the previous day high. It's kind of what I can see now. Buy side balance in here. I guess this would be a fractal. Yeah, this would be a fractal. Not a fractal, just higher time from one. I should have seen this. Damn. Should have seen this. Where's the low right here? So low. 37.33, 37.33, 37.37. So I think this one's lower, yeah. I should have seen this. As soon as equilibrium was getting disrespected, I should have seen. We're going to probably push up. Damn. Big L on me, honestly. Did I have? No, I didn't have that already. SPX, yeah, no, SPX was hitting equilibrium. That's kind of why I was more in tune with Nasdaq catching up. But I guess I should have seen that Nasdaq was above it. I should have measured that. Damn, I only measured SPX yesterday. My charting. I think I should have done on NQ too. My measurements for daily ranges. It's kind of L on me, honestly. I should have done the SP, this chart right here. Should have done it on this one. Should have just seen, you know. I'm gonna clean the drawings, no, clean the drawings on both. I'm tired of seeing all these drawings. Leave it on the 4-hour. BTC, okay, we still haven't moved up. Oh, that's good. Just being patient here. I should do AMQ and SPX to the buy side liquidity on the daily. Yeah, probably SPX catching up. 10Q reaching up there. On the 1 hour. Yeah, so probably just like filling this up. This one's already filled it up. So I just wanted to see this one get filled up. Become inversed. So yeah, that's really it. I guess today was like more of one of those days I should have just viewed the higher time frame. Not being stuck on the lower ones, that would have been a lot better. Yeah, I should have done a better top down. Took my time more this morning instead of just rushing to the lower ones. That's kind of where I went wrong. So I need to do that better next stream. Started streaming a little late too. I'm online. It was 10 o'clock news. I didn't feel like streaming too early, but that proved itself not worthy. Glad I didn't take the trade. Would have been stopped out. I mean, yeah, there's nothing wrong with being stopped out, but yeah, it's not worthy taking a trade right now, honestly, or today. Unless you had like strong conviction, then yeah, it would have been worth it. But yeah, now that trade, the NQ trade, or yeah, the NQ one specifically, and then the SPX one. SPX one wasn't bad. This one right here, I think I took it right here. As soon as we closed below the breaker, tapped up into it, came back up, just stopped out, break even. We drop. Should have seen that in Q1. Should have seen the other range, higher time frame one. Just not wanting to hold or not want to drop and push below equilibrium. Your Euro one was pretty good. Just caught it right before the sloppy movement. Just removing risk as soon as we're done. After like the first partial. Just push it up on SPX. My eye, something's in my eye, man. I gotta get this out. My goodness, what's this? Alright. Gotta go. See you later. Hungry. See you later. Alright, brother. Take it easy. Take it easy. NQ weird price action. Yeah, it's weird. Not really though, cause it was already above equilibrium. This one was near it, like hitting it. That's kind of why we retrace. This one was already above equilibrium, so I could see why, you know, it's just like wanted to go higher, not drop yet. We're already above it inside of premium, you know. SPX wasn't, you can see. SPX wasn't near equilibrium and just dropped. This one wasn't, it was just chilling above it, came down to a discount, rallied. Pretty typical in NQ. NQ is very strong. Very strong. Created buy side balance there. Take that off. Put this right here. A bunch of breakaway gaps. I think we're not gonna come retrace to them. Big breakaway gap. We have another one forming here. We're just reaching for that previous day high. This one too. Thought I'd take that out. Yeah. I think the volume's gonna die down probably whenever lunch session kicks in already. Like when it kicks in at 12, I think the volume probably will die down. So that's what I'm watching. Dun. The cold is coming, winter's coming. I can't believe we missed the upside movement. Very I'm not even feeling. I don't feel anything actually. I feel shook. I guess this happened. This happened like what? I think last stream last week. Like we caught the downside movement, but we were never ever able to catch up the upside movement. It's weird. Like we just noticed it too late. I think that's one of my biggest problems. It's like noticing things too late after they happen. Like unable to anticipate them as soon as they're forming. That's one of the biggest things I'm dealing with right now, honestly, for price action. Or like live trading too, you know. I've been having good patience. I've been trying to be more patient and let the higher time frame levels pan out, but just really just seeing it like when it's reversing like this, We were saying we were seeing a for market maker on my I can't even talk. I was saying there was a market maker buy model forming a couple. When I was on my phone, I think I drew the little line here. It looked pretty clear on my phone because of we reached equilibrium of the range reversals, or yeah, reversals tend to happen at equilibrium for me. Quadrants, you can use quadrants, but I just prefer equilibrium. Strong, it's a gravitational pull for equilibrium. So we see that Sibi disrespected, close above, came back down. Or no, yeah, we waked up multiple times, disrespected the order block. As soon as we open up here and we closed above there, came back down, then we rallied. All this breaker price action with the order block, with the Sibi, 3 PD arrays got ran right through. That is pretty much over. The bullishness came in, breakaway gap here forming, another fair value gap here forming. I want to see if we have an institutional reference drill, and then rally, take out the previous day high for the buy side and complete the market maker model here for this one. It's a big market maker model here. That's all really, you know. I think we're just gonna continue. I don't even. Next candle opens up. I think we're gonna have a immediate rebalance. I don't even think we're gonna come down here. If we come tap this high, then just push up. Because I think it's strong gravitational pull right now for this. Just wanted to reach it. GU. I'm not even really paying attention to these. This is just it's like a reaccumulation for longs here. All this right here. All this is like a balanced price range really. That's all this is. It's like forming a balanced price range. It just seems like price action isn't favorable here on this one. Even on the other one too. It's like a balanced price range. We came up, we came down. We didn't come up enough for this one though. So yeah, it's unfavorable price action for me. I didn't open Discord again. I don't know. I think I'm just not even open Discord. Discord should know by now, you know. Be streaming every day, every weekday. They should know by now, you know. It's kind of clear, you know. I don't even gotta open up Discord. I gotta come to the channel, man. What do y'all watch? I think we're gonna get up there. I want to get on my bro. I've been like craving my funded. I don't know why. I just want to take a trade on my funded. I'm tired of being on this FTMO thing. It's weird. It's weird. It really is. I know I can pass it already. I don't know. I gotta prove to myself because I was sick and I wasn't trading for like a week, so I felt rusty. You know, I felt rusty. But I was reviewing it. I was constantly, you know, just reviewing my trades, charting, watching the market. I wasn't charting though. I think I was just watching. I was reviewing Mo charting, watching the market. You know, every other day. I wasn't paying too much attention. I'm just trying to feel better, you know. And no trades were taken. Then I got rusty, you know. I felt rusty. I felt like I don't got my touch, you know. So I was like, you know what? I'm just do that FTMO account. And here we are now. I feel unrusty. I feel ready to take a trade on my funded and pass it. I just feel so, I don't know, I feel so like eager to just reach that, bro. Reach that funded objective and just make money and just call it a freaking year. I'm just so hungry for it, man. I'm just starving. I really am. So like a little breaker formed here on SPX. This little short-term low got broken through, ran up, closed above it. Let's see if we come back down probably. Start reaching for this buy side up here, these two highs. NQ about to reach the previous month high. I can see that. NQ is very strong right now too. It's just so strong. Let's go to monthly here. Yeah, to me it already seems like it already broke through it. Yeah, I think it already broke through it. ES is the one that I don't think has. Yeah, ES is close to breaking through it. So I'm just waiting for that. Just wait for this right here. I want to see if we get this movement lower now. Probably right here in this area, or if we come down deeper to this one, that'd be good. We have a little short-term 3 down close candles, order block there. Will cause you to fail the other funded inexperience, lack of screen time, bad risk management, over trading, not having or not sticking to a certain model. So all those things we're aligning. So I say inexperienced by, not really like inexperienced by just like trade management, like moving my stop loss too early, not having patience, not having like a specific model, just trading every single thing. Like trading every model is like sometimes like you need a specific model and a specific set of criterias to where you want to enter a trade and you feel comfortable with it. Like it's a repeating pattern and you know that it's gonna work because you stuck with it for so long. And then another one was probably like watching too many markets. I had like gold, JPY, GJ, USD CAD, had all these other markets that I didn't really trade, but I just had them there and I would watch them throughout the day. And I wasn't really focusing on the ones that I had the best trades. So no, yeah, that's pretty much it. And just inexperience, lack of screen. I wasn't putting in enough screen time either. You know, like right now, I was been streaming for like the past month, and just building up that screen time, building up that experience, watching price action live here in front of the chart 24, like not 24/7, but like 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours. Some days, and just seeing how it forms, being familiar with all the model I trade, and just building up that consistency, and just getting that experience. I've been streaming for like a month now. Started in October. I was doing streams in September. I said I was going to stream blah, 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 but I never did in September because, I didn't want to see people, watch me, I guess. I didn't want to see, I think it was detrimental, I guess, back then. I thought it was because I didn't have a model. I wasn't trading like a specific set of criteria. I was just freestyling it, being a discretionary trader. Nothing wrong with that either, but I guess you got to have like some models intact, like at least 2 or 3 or 1, just stick with one model. And I guess I was just entering off of anything, and I didn't have a specific reason. And my journaling and my charting wasn't good enough to me. I just wasn't putting in enough work. After I meditated upon that, and I found, I was asking myself questions like, what can I improve on my trading? And it wasn't my trading, it was the way I journaled, the way I was charting, and the way I was just viewing the markets. It was not about the trades, it was about myself. It's not about the goals, it's about the system. So I knew the system was scuffed. I knew my operating, how I was operating wasn't ideal, or I wasn't optimized enough to be successful, and that's why I wasn't successful. So just simple stuff like that, really. If you're unsuccessful right now, it's because you're not optimized, or you're just not optimized enough. You have to really think about it. Go meditate upon it. Find your reasoning, because everything you seek to be answered is all within you. You can just continue watching videos. This strategy is not gonna ever, you're never gonna be profitable if you just sit down and put in screen time, optimize it, refine it, make it to your liking, and then just put in that experience, put in that work to get that experience, and then eventually, have good journaling, have good charting, have good risk management, all these. Hi boss, what's up? Lman FX. NQ1 not yet. Oh yeah, NQ bro. The S&P chart. The CFD charts are always different than the forex future charts. I was about to say forex charts, future charts. So we're just gonna continue watching SPX. I would have wanted to see going down more, but we didn't get that yet. So I think NQ is gonna reach that objective, then we come down for SPX. That's kind of what I was looking at. Let's go look at the. Let's go ES1. Let's go here, ENQ. I forgot the thing on my description right now. Delete data. Monthly here. Oh yeah, it hasn't yet. So you're right, yeah. NQ hasn't reached it yet. SPX. So the CFD chart's way off, bro. That's kind of why I don't like using that. I need to put this on there. See this right here. This one never came down to equilibrium. See this one. Never came down to equilibrium either. This one was nowhere near it. I was tripping. I thought this one already came down. I was like, man, it already reached down there. It's probably just my objective, honestly, if we just start dropping, probably the next couple of months. come back down. But if we continue to rally, honestly, to me, the high would be of an objective, and then probably these up here. So we already took these out, I think. We already took these out. Probably this one here after this one. But even then, I do see us come and tracing. So yeah, not bad, you know, honestly. It's just CFD charts. See the CFD charts already reached. It's just whack. So I don't even try to. I do try to rely on them. I won't lie. I'm not trying too much. So yeah, breakaway gap. I'm gonna just take this off. I'm gonna take all this off right here. I need to clear my chart. What is this? That's for the dealer range. Yeah, your forex pairs don't look good right now. I think I said earlier, just the volume died down. Especially on a Friday, said after the news. Why are the markets so cold today? Not the indices. Indices are cold. They're hot right now. For the forex, probably because it's Friday. London close. Better coming to an end, and then yeah, there's no news this week. Wasn't really volatile, and the indices right now it's pretty hot. Came down, rallied. Just clear the PD areas were respected here for bullishness. So discount PD areas. I guess we should have anticipated that market. Damn, like I don't want to say that. But we just saw it form, and we didn't capitalize on it because we didn't have enough conviction, and that's perfectly fine. You know, if you don't have enough conviction on a trade, don't take it. Don't take it. Why would you? Why would you take a trade if you don't have enough conviction on it? That's my thing that I need to deal with right now, because I still take it because I get curious, honestly. The curiosity dwells. I take it. And guess what happens? I lose. And if I win, it shouldn't be a win, honestly. It should not be a win. Sorry, guys. I'm just quickly texting somebody real quick. I'm just trying to get this message over there. Real quick. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, honestly. Let's see that real quick. S&P monthly sell side liquidity. What do you mean? S&P monthly. I gotta go back to ES1 or what? Let's go back to ES1. Let's go to SPX here. Monthly sell side liquidity. What are you talking about? I don't know what he's talking about. The breaker very sus. Talking about this one here or what? This breaker? It's right here. Probably. Yeah, no, it doesn't look too sus, honestly. Kind of held it. I guess that's kind of why we are pushing up now this month. Seemed clean movement, especially the seasonal tendency too. I think our seasonal tendency is to rally for these type of months since it's Q4. So we're chilling up there. I think NQ already met the range. Let's see. No, it hasn't. So I guess because of the lunch, we're not meeting it yet. I want to see us meet it. What are y'all watching right now? You think we're gonna drop and then push up? I see it happening, honestly. Not against it. Wouldn't be too against it. No, I mean your long-term vision on SPX. That is my long-term vision. My long-term vision is it's really just that, honestly. It's either we go up or we go down, really. I don't think really any other way. It's either we respect one or we disrespect the other. Nothing really too much on the plate here. Use the restroom. I'll be right back, guys. 15-minute break on SPX sus. You say sus. What does it make you saying sus? Is sus to you? My doggy's crazy for me. My doggy crazy for me. She's crazy. She's crazy, chat. She's crazy for me. She's crazy. So we have a little 15-minute buy side imbalance there on the indices. Continue up. That's probably the reasoning. We just hit this. Then we rally. We rally, mate. So I either see that or this. Either see that or this. That or this. Trying to keep the charts a lot more clean recently. I don't know why. I just like the charts clean. I used to have so many indicators back then. Like even if you go back on my past live streams, like 2 months ago, I used to have so many indicators. As of recently, I don't really use as many. I know you see like I have 4 over here, but like when do you see me have these indicators on? I only have 1 on, and then this one I usually don't even put it on anymore. I don't use midnight opening anymore. I think I need to, honestly. And then the 8:30 opening too. I need to use those too. But I think I'm gonna take all the session stuff off. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, like the contrast. Probably it's like 5%. Then I can't see it either, so I don't know. Just turn it down even more. Yeah, that would look good. That's pretty much it, really. But I just don't even like having it. I think I'll just leave the lines on. I think I'll just turn these off. Leave that on like that. But even that, I don't like having too many lines. I don't know. I don't like using indicators anymore. Not too much anymore. I think time elements like New York midnight and 8:30 opening are important, but if you just know like where the higher time frame is going already, you should just be okay. That's my take on it. If you know where the weekly and the monthly and daily are going, then you'll be okay. You know, not too much on the. You don't have to use every single concept. You know. I think that's sometimes more damage done than helping. Don't always have to use everything. You don't have to use every single thing, you know. Just to have a good trade. You can still win, you know, using like 1 or 2 concepts. Just putting in that work. Just keep putting in that work. There's no need to stop here. There's no need to stop here, my friend. I put work in. I put work. I put work. I don't sleep. I don't sleep late at night. I don't sleep late at night. I put work and I go. So let's go see. Alright, guys. Let me stop messing around here. So we're still inside that 1 hour sell sign and balance here on the S&P chart. I want to see us at least reach the consequent encroachment of that. Or I want to see us. Depends, you know, how we close on the hourly. So we got 24 minutes. So I'm gonna see if we close above or below the consequent encroachment of that sell sign and balance. 15-minute time frame. We have that BISI. I mean, you can classify this as a breaker, but on here it looks like more of an order block. But on the 5-minute, again, just looks like a clear breaker. So you can just say it's a breaker. Doesn't matter. Bloody bloody. Objective, if we do continue up, probably have to be these highs up here, or it can be like just closing above the 1 hour by sell sign and balance here, making it inversion, and then just gonna go back to NQ now. So NQ, we never reached the previously high objective. That's kind of was my objective here, but I guess the rejection block, I didn't mark it out, but I think I took it off in the 4 hour one. So yeah, I marked on the 4 hour rejection block. I think it was a little too far. And then my dog is bugging out. What's wrong? Why are you bugging? What's wrong? Why are you bugging out? She's like lagging. But here we had that 1 hour order block here. I think we hit the mean threshold. We're near the mean threshold. We went up above it. I just see us probably coming back down, filling up half. If we want to fill it up and then rally up. I wouldn't want to see it go to halfway. That would kind of like ruin the bearish momentum for me. I mean the bullish momentum, especially on a Friday right now. Like low volume coming in. So I don't know. I would have wanted to see it reach the objective up here and then start to drop. But if we don't reach that, then I think that's fine with me. I think next week we'll probably get that 4 hour inversion for rally up. I just should have seen it sooner, because we were below it. We weren't holding up, so I kind of just thought it wasn't gonna work. So you can see a strong price pull, gravitated around it. The break on the 1 hour, used it as an inversion and push price higher. We don't need that anymore. And why are you bugging? Hold on, why is she bugging out? But yeah, that's pretty much it on NQ. I think if we hold this buy sign and balance here on the 5-minute, we're gonna continue rallying, reach that objective, and then eventually start dropping. Big day. If we close above the 1 hour, 1 day SIBI, although daily SIBI, that's big objective to me that we're gonna continue maybe higher for next week. But I would have wanted us to at least have some sort of retracement. Probably next week we'll get that. Probably we'll have a bearish week next week, but as of right now, you know, it's low volume week. It's the second week of the month. I want to see if we, especially on the forex pairs, I want to see if we create the high of week this week. Where is it? Right? Well, no, wait, hold on. Yeah, right here. I want to see if we create the high of week for power 3 on the monthly. Why'd you keep doing that, bro? That's so cute. What the heck? What is going on? What is going on? Why you keep doing that? That is so cool. So yeah, we're just gonna be watching that, honestly. I mean, there's nothing really else to watch. Lunch session's gonna kick in soon. It was a good day, right? It was a good day to trade, especially for longs. Shorts, I mean, they were alright. I went short on every market, the forex market, the indices. Today I noticed like I went short on everything. I didn't go long at all. Would have been good for longs, honestly. Especially on NQ, just seeing that 4-hour dealing range. That would have just instantly, boom, snapped something inside of my head. So it's really getting cold in here, man. Getting cold. I feel it. I feel it like it's I don't know how to put it. What is today? Friday too. Yes, Friday. Finally, Friday, man. I can just like can watch my stream after this is done. And just chill. Fridays, I kind of want to watch the PM session with y'all. Like I want to stick through and stream to the PM session. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to, because I feel like it's gonna be low volume. It's gonna like die down. But sometimes PM session, like right before, or like an hour before the close, like just big volume comes in. I don't know if I want to catch that, but I don't know. I think I might not. I think I might have to go do. So I haven't been reading. I haven't read as much as I wanted to. And today I gotta read 50, and then tomorrow I gotta read 50 pages. Cause Sunday's like a new week for me. Sunday starts the new week. So this week basically is for me Saturday here. So that's why I gotta reach my objective to finish the book. So I gotta reach 50 pages. So I might start on that right now after we end the stream. I might end the stream at London close pretty much at 12 for New York time. So it's because I gotta finish that book, man. I gotta reach my objective for reading this week. That's my weekly objective: finishing a book a weekend. I gotta finish it. Well, I don't want to read like 100 pages tomorrow. You know, it's not worth it. I'd rather read 50, break it down. Like 25 right here, right now, and then probably 25 later tonight in the evening. Just like breaking it down further and further. And then starting up a new book. I don't know which book I want to start up next. I have plenty. But probably something small. This one was kind of big. Probably a smaller book, and then eventually going back up to a bigger book. This one's 300 pages. Probably something like in the 200 to 150 around there, and then eventually going back up and hitting a 300, 400 one for the next week, 2 weeks. That would be like Thanksgiving week, so I think I'll have a good amount to read if we have holidays, and then the weekend too. So yeah, no, that'd be even better, honestly. Nope. What do you mean? Break even, GPP London sesh. You will break even? London on a Friday, bro. I think that's like the best session. Except for probably New York. New York doesn't. New York has news, and probably New York. But for the forex pairs, probably London. In the seas, New York for sure. Love it. I love it. And then what else? I need to finish ICT's mentorship this week too. You finish the 23 mentorship. I'm on 102, I think. Yeah, I'm on 102. This is like 105. Now, I don't know if I want to watch a 4-hour play. The 4-hour live stream. It's gonna be so long though. That's like half my day right there, honestly. I got other stuff to do. So I don't know if I want to watch that. I think I'm gonna just finish the ones he got on the playlist for now, and then eventually later revisit that last live stream, the one he posted, but it's not in the mentorship right now. So I'm just wait. I'll probably watch it later on. Probably like whenever the markets are closed, I'll watch that, and then probably take notes on it. Probably later on in life, probably like in December, or probably like yeah, probably in December whenever like the like Christmas. Probably go rewatch some of his videos, revisit a lot of the old material, or like 22, 23, just catch up back up. Not catch back up, but just like revisit, review it, see if I missed anything important. Or I think rewatching it, like, well, with having all this knowledge, I think it's gonna just everything's gonna start clicking. Everything's gonna start clicking. The light bulbs are gonna go off multiple times. But I don't even want to. I think just I don't want to rewatch. If I'm profitable by then, I don't think I'll probably would want to rewatch all those playlists. I'll just take it easy, stick with my model, and just continue developing. Should probably review the study notes I have. That'll be pretty much good enough. Yeah, no, it's a good year coming to an end. Probably to next month. Seeing if I end up passing a funded account next month or this month. That's my main goal. Passing both of them. I was just thinking about trading both after this FTMO free trial one's done. Trading both my at 15k and then my 10k. Trying to pass both of them with the model here. The one I'm displaying on this other channel, not this channel. I'm displaying it on the other one. I'm showing my trades. I think I'm gonna show my trades for today too. Or probably like I do a weekly review. That's probably better. But first I gotta show the model, like go really in depth about it, how I view it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're still, I mean, we have been profitable on this 25k demo one. Like really, really good. That's really good to me. I'm gonna check how much we're up right now. Let me see. I didn't check, so we're up 113. Commissions 114. Damn, that shit just, it's been eating me up. Profit 227. So we lost right there with the US 30 trade, or I mean Nasdaq trade, $60. Euro was 100. US 500 earlier. The breaker one was $50. So I guess those commissions on Euro ate me up too. I won't show y'all guys because I did take some bad trades. I won't lie. I just some bad trades on Forex yesterday. I just didn't stick to my bias. I went against it like twice and had some losers, and then eventually we made back up for it the same day with the same trade with the original bias. So we went against it, we lost because first we got stopped out with our original. I'll start trading props next year, Feb. That's good. I'm trying to get it over with right now. I'm trying to just get funded, start scaling up my personal capital, and then probably getting into crypto. I think this weekend I'm gonna put a lot of money into crypto. I'm start seeing that market. I'll start seeing it more often. I'm gonna add it to this playlist too. I'll just add BTC and ETH. Probably crypto. Probably BTC. What else? Perpetuals. Big X. It's not FEMX, right? FEMX would FEMX be right here. Like, there is FEMX. BTC perpetual futures, ETH, and then XRP. This is not on the monthly, right? You don't have on the monthly. Yeah, you can't see it on the monthly. That's kind of why I don't like using perpetuals. But it gives you like the actual price action. So I'm gonna just take these off. I'm gonna add it to a different one. Add it to here. This one. We have it on this. Let's go look at gold. Let's go look at other markets, honestly. Gold is finally dropping. That's what I wanted, bro. I wanted this inversion to like at least push us down, but we never got that. We came back up and after now dropping. Finally, bro. Finally. My dog keeps hitting me. What's wrong? What's wrong here? Tell me now. What's wrong? What is wrong? Tell me now. Tell me now. What's wrong? Why you keep hitting me, huh? Why you keep hitting me? I never done. I need to review. We never came back. We never watched these markets. After I forgot. Last weekend we marked this one up. Never got there. I was looking for this right here. This low. Never got there. Pretty sad. I'm pretty sad right now. I'm pretty sad. Low breaker here. You can see we're below it already. Euro 80 Sibi inversion. As soon as we come back up a close, we create a BC, we tap in, and we drive right up. This one inversion on the daily we created that a while ago. Now we bouncing back and forth, and we go. Now we rally. Sibi there too. Lowing in fruit objective. Where's USD CAD? I don't have it on here. I do. Yeah, I didn't mark this one up at all. Why are you stretching? Oh, she's stretching. That's what it is. She's stretching her arms out. I thought she was trying to hit me. Right now I'm 26% on the Forex demo account. Up 2.7 on futures count demo too. So like once you have that, you go into prop firms, you're ready. You're ready for it, man. You just gotta work on the mentality of the, I guess, like of the trade. Like seeing the P&L fluctuate. Not even that. Don't even look at the P&L. Just worry about the price action. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry. That's the psychology is really the hardest part. That's it. Once you're profitable like that on the demo, you already know you can pass fundeds. You can do all that. You don't need to worry about anything. Just the psychology. To me, that was my biggest. That has been my biggest issue. Is my psychology. Just holding trades. ICT talked about this. Like you gotta hold trades longer. You know, you gotta be uncomfortable. You know, take like majority of your position off at your final terminus, and then just moving your stop loss and profit, and just letting the trade run. You know, if you get stopped out, what's the worst that can happen? You know, you already took your profit. You already took everything. Just grow with the holding trades. You know, once you start holding, you have more patience. You just start developing a lot more patience with holding. That's one of the biggest things I've been having trouble with. Just like holding the trade for like a couple hours. I usually hold it. My minimum, I usually hold it for like under an hour, if I'm being real. Because the majority of my trades are under an hour. Some will be like near an hour, above it, like 1 hour and 30. Usually an hour, under an hour. I mean, I want to hold it for like a couple of hours, a couple of days maybe, just holding that trade. Even if it's like a small position, just holding it, letting it run, continuing to just go and profit further and further. Catching like a higher time frame market maker model, that'll be like A1. Just holding that trade, just letting it run, building that patience. But yeah, no, once you're profitable on demo and you feel you're ready for, or like after like a certain amount of time, I don't know what time you're doing, like 6 months, you can do 6 months, 3 months. Some people do like a year of demo. I've seen that. Majority is just like 6 months sometimes, or 3 months minimum sometimes. So yeah, it's not bad. Not a bad time to be trading. They always talk about how, you know, like the market's gonna change. There's gonna be CBDCs, this, that. So that's kind of what it's kind of what made me rush, I guess. I got scared. I was scared the markets were coming to like an end or something. The algorithm's gonna change and all that. That's kind of what like made me rush into like fundeds. But I don't think you should rush into it. I kind of rushed into it, regret it. That's the only thing I really regret, rushing into like trying to pass a funded, not sticking on demo long enough. I think I stuck on demo for like 2 months. And that's it. I was like break even, so like it's even worse. I was break even with the strategy I was using. In only 2 months of data. It wasn't even good data collected. I wouldn't even journal every trade either. Hold on, guys. What? Alright, my bad. Yeah, I'm probably moving to stop loss to be early when I know the move. And no, yeah, that too. I still face that sometimes. I won't lie. Just trailing my stop loss placement. But sometimes it's good, you know, like earlier with the NQ trade. I trailed my stop because I had like 3 PD arrays. That's the only time I really trail stop. It's 3 PD arrays. And yeah, no, that my 3 PD arrays, this one right here, I was talking about it. These 2 up close candles, the inversion right here. And then my fourth one was this one right here. We created another inverse. And then this is the wick right here, consequent encroachment. We never got. We closed above and we rallied. That was my 3 PD arrays. I had my stop up here. You know, I had room to breathe. I had it up here. I think original right here, and then as soon as we started, oh no, I had it up here. Started dropping. I just didn't like that. But trailing your stop loss when you know you're in profit is sometimes or like whenever you're getting the move in, and like or just like moving it too early, I guess, like not waiting for enough movement to your objective. That's sometimes detrimental to me too. I just move it too early, or I put it at break even. I don't let the market, just move away from my entry, and then boom, you get stopped out, and the move happens. So I've just been trying to leave it more at these areas, just like trying to accept the risk more, and just being more patient too. That's another one. Just holding trades, I guess. Being patient, holding trades, having your stop loss at the original area you had it at, and not doing too much, just watching the market. You're just watching candles print, and it hurts so much, just being impatient. Let's see, Femex. I need to start my Femex account. Femex. I don't know. I might end stream at 12 right here. I might call it a day. I would have wanted to watch PM session, but I think it's gonna be like low volume and there's not gonna be too much. I was long GPP and knew exactly when it was time to close. That's good. That's because I'm gonna go journal. I need a journal for today and then yesterday's trades. I didn't journal yesterday's. Yesterday I took a lot of trades. So I'm gonna just wait till 12. See if anything happens here for this macro. For the 11:50, 12:10. I'm just go cuddle my dog. She's trying to go to sleep. So I'm just go put her to sleep. Put her to sleep. Put her in the bed or go to sleep. Give her a snack. She goes to sleep. Go to sleep. Yeah, we're just range bound. Look at that. Just back and forth. No clear definition. This is like gonna be PM session here. We're gonna go back up. We're gonna go back down a little bit. Come back up. Come back down. Come back up. And bring room. Go back up. Right here. Close right here. So you took longs on GBP. Let's go look at GBP. So during, I think this is what this is during London. Took right here around here. Yeah, it didn't look too favorable for me. Ooh, why you moving like that? Why you moving like that? Took it during London. See you, alright, brother. It's right here, probably right here. This would be the best trade. We didn't get this would probably be the best trade here. To your short-term objective, probably this low. Next one, probably there in New York, right around here. BPR. Swept internal too. Swept internal. All right, guys, at the mainstream here. Oh yeah, someone was telling me about reviewing USD market makes some on the 1 hour. So this was the one he was talking about. Let's go view it. I don't know if he's still in here. I mean, it's on the 1 hour. You gotta get like other stuff. You gotta get for the 1 hour. You gotta go to the daily. That's your confluence. I'll just see the market maker buy one, honestly. I mean, real. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. No, no, come back up. Come back up. Yeah, come sit down. So you're gonna fall for me? No, you can't have that. What is this? 4 hour what? 4 hour lows. Okay, yeah, 4 hour lows. We came down, hit the 1 hour BPR. We took out these lows. This was more of a market maker sell model here. So we did take out some form of liquidity. We formed that this one right here. I want to see if we form a market maker sell model. We'll probably have to be inside of here. Yeah, we are inside of that. We'll see if we're hitting consequent encroachment. Yeah, we're hitting consequent encroachment. I'll probably need more of definition, like more time to see this form. It's too early, but yeah, it did happen, I guess. Probably not for New York, honestly. Probably for London. Even then, what's the measuring of this range? Let's measure this range on the daily. I think we already hit equilibrium, so it's reasonable. Yeah, it's reasonable if we continue up now. I don't trade these markets, but I do view them every once in a while. Won't lie. I think it's good. See your analysis play out in a higher time frame. But yeah, no, I think we'll go. I will see nothing. I'll see nothing favorable, nothing. Oh, this one's about to reach the objective. Let's see this. Go up. No? Okay, yeah, no. Alright, I'm in stream there. I'm in stream here. I'm gonna go rewatch my stream. Probably watch some anime. And then start journaling my trades. Eat. I gotta go eat too. And then that's pretty much it really. And hop on the Discord, see what the Discord members are saying. Probably finish ICT later to read right now after I'm done watching and journaling. And not journaling. What was it? Watching, reading. No wait. Watch. I'm gonna journal my trades. That's what I said. Yeah, I'm gonna journal my trades. Watch some anime, chill, read, watch ICT, and then go eat too. Rewatch the stream later on, probably like later tonight. Review it, see if I can do anything better. Probably rewatch like the past couple of streams this weekend, honestly, and then review, see if I could do anything better for the streams. Like, not for the streaming, like just for the trading day. See if I can improve anything. I have been going over my charting a lot recently because of just like building the awareness for what I'm supposed to be watching. And then what else? So what am I supposed to do today? Oh yeah, then I gotta do what else? Journaling, reading, meditating. What else? Oh yeah, I gotta record a video for the other channel, like going about the model, how I use it, and how I took the trades for this week. Going over the weekly review to that too. So yeah, no, I'll catch y'all later. Oh, shout out Shino. Thank you for shouting out. Thank you, live stream remarks. Appreciate it, Shino. I'm gonna just continue streaming for like the rest of the year. I don't think I'm gonna stop. I'm already this hot, bro. Like we're hot already. November, like we're already what 2 weeks in streaming. I don't know. I didn't stream last week, I think, but this week we're all in. You know, completing it. I think the monthly or the yearly objective is like stream for the rest of the year. After this year, I don't know if I'm gonna continue, but as of right now, you know, just free gems or development too. You know, you're gonna see my development, what you have been seeing in the past couple of streams. You know, just developing as a trader and a person, I guess. You know, streaming and just letting the people see. You know, and that's all it really is. You know, just putting in work, showing up every day. That's how you get better. But I think NQ already reached the objective. It's about to, I think. So you know, I'm ending the stream here. Hopefully y'all have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the trading day. Try to be a little bit more cautious during the PM session. You know, don't try to force any trades. And just be wary about the Friday price action. Since it's coming to an end, the volume's gonna be dying down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace.